Hello everyone, I'm Kallol Dahal and in today's class we are going to learn about description of Mount K2 and Prospectus from chapter 14 of grade 7. So let's begin. Reading 1. Mount K2. K2, also called Mount Godwin Austen, called locally Dapsang or Chogori, is the world's second highest peak. It is 8,611 meters. It is the second highest mountain in the world after Mount Everest, 8,848.86 meters. K2 is located in the Karakoram range and lies in the Gilgit-Baltistan portion of Kashmir under the rule of Pakistan. The glacier and snow-covered mountain rises from the base at about 4,570 meters on the Godwin-Austen Glacier. The mountain was discovered in 1856 by Colonel T.Z. Montgomery of the Survey of India, and it was named K2 because it was the second peak measured in the Karakoram range. The name Mount Godwin Austen is for the peak's first surveyor, Colonel H. H. Godwin Austen, a 19th century English geographer. The first attempt to reach the summit was made by an Anglo-Swiss expedition in 1902 that ascended to 5,670 meters on the peak's northeastern crest. Other unsuccessful attempts include an Italian expedition in 1909 via the southeastern ridge that reached approximately 6,100 meters. In 1938, an American expedition led by Charles Houston via the Abruzzi Ridge reached about 7,925 meters. In 1939, another American-led expedition following the same route reached about 8,380 meters, and in 1953, another expedition led by Houston reached 7,900 meters on the Abruzzi Ridge. Finally, in 1954, an Italian expedition consisting of 5 scientists, a doctor, a photographer, and 12 others, including a Pakistani, managed to conquer the Abruzzi Ridge despite the severe weather conditions. They reached the summit at 6 p.m. on July 31. In the course of ascent, Mario Puzo's, one of the guides, died of pneumonia. Because K2 is prone to frequent and severe storms that make the already dangerous climbing conditions on its slopes even more challenging, and humans find functioning at such high elevations difficult. It is one of the world's most difficult mountains to climb. The number of people to have reached the top constitutes only a small fraction compared with the number of people who have successfully climbed Mount Everest. In addition, although there have been fewer deaths on K2 compared with those on Mount Everest, the proportion of those killed to the number of people who have attempted climbing K2 is significantly higher. So with that, we come to the end of the text, but the beginning of the exercises. I hope you would be able to do this, solve the puzzle by consulting the text. You try it once. Similarly, please do these question answers as well. And true or false. Now, grammar. Choose a verb from the brackets to complete the sentences. Every generation dash its own characteristics. Every generation has, because we consider every with singular verb. A generation gap consists of differences in different aspects here. A generation gap is a singular noun, so we use singular verb. A lot of changes have occurred in the village since I left it. A lot of changes. This is plural, so with plural we use plural verb. The beautiful scenery of the place attracts more tourists because of the singular noun over here. 10 kilos of sugar is sufficient for us now. Even though it may sound as if it is plural, 10 kilos of sugar will be counted as one unit. So we use a singular verb. Similarly, I hope you would be able to do the remaining 3. Now let's move on to reading 2. Saraswati Secondary School, Ilam, Prospectus. Introduction. Saraswati Secondary School was established in 2018 BS. It has been running classes for grade 1 to 12 since 2007 TBS. The school is completely devoted to maintaining quality education and aims to produce highly skilled human resources, academically excellent, well-motivated and creative individuals in the national and global context. The school has a very dynamic team consisting of highly acclaimed staff from various sectors to ensure the proper functioning of academic activities in the school. Programs: Montessori-based pre-primary classes, basic level classes 1 through 8, secondary level classes 9 through 12. Vision. Our motto is to develop our academic institution as a center for academic excellence. Salient features: highly qualified and trained teachers, regular meetings with students and guardians, weekly tests and support classes for those needing a little extra help, and practical classes. Mission: to provide an opportunity of quality education for the students of underprivileged and marginalized communities, to create an excellent academic environment, to create an inclusive environment for all students and staff. Well equipped computer lab, library, and science lab. Free Wi Fi. This is the salient features of the school. Additional classes if required. Audiovisual classes. Well managed cafeteria. Scholarships. The school offers various types of scholarships to the deserving students and the students from underprivileged and marginalized groups. Admission process. Any student fulfilling the basic criteria set by the school can apply for the entrance test to grade 6, 9, and 11. Uniform. Students have to wear uniform as specified by the school administration. Fee structure for grade 11 and 12. We charge nominal fees for bus fare. We are committed to provide quality education to all so that they can get an opportunity for higher education. We believe that no one should be deprived of education. Saraswati Secondary School, Ilam Municipality 9, Ilam. Email ssschool2018@gmail.com. So this was a prospectus about Saraswati Secondary School located in Ilam and its features. Now let's go to the exercises. Choose the words from the box to complete the sentences. The baby is still not well. He was dash oxygen during birth. He was deprived of oxygen during birth. She takes a bath regularly. She wants to dash personal hygiene. Ensure personal hygiene. So in the similar fashion, I hope you'd be able to do the remaining ones. Do it as your homework along with these two. Now, grammar. Match the questions in column A with their possible answers in column B. How tall is your house? It's about 20 feet. How long is the east-west highway? It's 1027.67 kilometers. How much water do you drink a day? I drink 2 liters of water every day. Now, in the similar fashion, I hope you'd be able to do the remaining ones as well. Rearrange the words to make sensible questions. Example, how much can Shiva carry? Question number A. How far has the pilot reached? Question number B. How long is the Karnali Bridge? Question number C. How tall is a giraffe? I hope you'll be able to do the remaining ones. So with that, we come to the end of this unit. How did you find today's unit? If you have any suggestions or complaints, you know how to get back to us. It is learning@dearwalk.edu.np. So until we bring another chapter for you, have fun and goodbye.